Let's make tuna salad. I've never made it and showed it to you. We need 1 can of cream of chicken soup. If you want, you can use like cream of onion or something else. But I'm going to use 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Some defrosted peas, Ruffles, milk, a little bit of cheese. And the Ruffles, you want to crumble them up like that. 1 cup will go into it and half a cup on top, and a can of tuna. I have my cream of chicken soup in my bowl. That's what I prefer, but you know, you can use anything you like. And this makes enough for 2 to 3 people, depending on the side dishes. It's easily for 3, but it can be for heavy eaters too. And there's the drained tuna. I'm going to put in 1 cup of the potato chips. The frozen peas that are defrosted, a half a cup. Half a cup of milk. And 1 cup of cheese. You can use any cheese you really like. I'm using a mild cheddar. And while you're mixing this up, be sure before you start mixing it up to turn your oven on to 350. I have that in my greased baking dish. I use some Pam spray on the baking dish. It's 8 by 8 inches. And I'll sprinkle a half a cup of potato chips or Ruffles on top. And into my 350 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven. It's baked for 30 minutes. You want to make sure it's bubbling. And we'll have a taste here in a minute. Let's dish some up. This comes out nice and creamy. There's no chopping, no cutting, no knife skills needed at all. And it's delicious. Let's have a taste. It's just perfect. It's really, really good. The potato chips give it some crunch on top. There's plenty of salt in it because of the Ruffles. You can use any potato chips that you like, really. You can use regular potato chips. I think salt and vinegar potato chips are very good. But the original recipe is Ruffles. And thank you so much for watching.